Hello friends, warm welcome in this video. Today we learn why pH range in between 0 to 14. There are many videos on YouTube or elsewhere, but none of these explain properly why pH range is in between 0 to 14. So today we will learn why pH range is in between 0 to 14. So what is pH? pH is the negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. So pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration, where P denotes negative log of. If there is hydrogen ion concentration, then it denotes negative log of hydrogen ion concentration, and if there is a concentration of OH or hydroxyl ions, then it denotes negative log of hydroxyl ion concentration. So for example, if concentration of hydrogen ion is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 6 molar, the pH can be pH is equal to minus log 1 into 10 raised to power minus 6 is equal to 6. Thus pH is equal to 6. So how to find out the concentration of hydrogen ion concentration? So pH scale is depend on the ionic product, that is Kw, and Kw is depend again on the concentration of cation and concentration of anion. For example, the ionic product for water, which possesses H positive ions and OH negative ions, Kw can be written as concentration of H positive into concentration of OH negative. So by knowing two variables, the third variable can be found out. So how to determine Kw? Kw or the ionic product can be written as molarity of a solution into K equilibrium, where K equilibrium is the constant equilibrium constant of a solution, which is determined by measuring electrical conductivity measurements. So K equilibrium is equal to concentration of one ion into concentration of other ion divided by concentration of the solution. So electrical conductivity measurements are depend on the ionic mobility. Now see here the ionic mobility of a different ions, that is cations and anions, at a temperature 298 Kelvin. So the highest ionic mobility is for the hydrogen ion, which is 36.26, and second highest value is for the OH negative, that is 20.64. So highest ionic mobility of these two ions indicates that K equilibrium will also be high for these two ions. So now for water which possesses both these ions, that is H positive and OH negative, K equilibrium is equal to concentration of H positive into concentration of OH negative divided by concentration of water. So it is equal to 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 16 molar. We know that the molarity of water is 55.5 molar. So here Kw is equal to 55 into 5 molar into 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 6 molar, which is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 molar square. We also know that Kw is equal to hydrogen ion concentration into OH negative ion concentration. So hydrogen ion concentration into OH negative ion concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 molar square, or Kw is equal to 14 molar square. Now, for example, if hydrogen ion concentration is 1 molar, then pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion concentration, that is which is equal to 0. Now, this 1 molar hydrogen ion concentration can be further diluted, so the value will be higher than the 0. And for 1 molar OH negative concentration, we can find out the hydrogen ion concentration. H positive is equal to Kw, that is ionic product divided by OH negative. We know that ionic product is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 molar square divided by the OH negative concentration 1 molar, which is equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 molar. So pH of minus log of 10 raised to power minus 14 is equal to 14. So if the concentration of OH negative is 1 molar, as in case of NaOH, then the pH will be 14. And if concentration of H positive is 1 molar, as in case of HCl, then the pH will be 0. So as the value of the electrical mobility or ionic mobility of H positive and OH negative is higher than any other ions, that's why the values of a pH falls between 0 to 14. Thank you.